What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Now some of you are mad at me because I did not make a video about X299. I did not make a video about i9 processor. I didn't make any video about the X299 platform. If you guys know me, then you already know why I didn't make any video of that. I basically show you guys videos about what I will personally use. So if I'm not gonna go buy X299, okay, knowing that's not worth it, knowing they're using a Kaby Lake quad-core processor in that platform, a quad-core processor without hyper-threading, basically a Core i5 they're using without hyper-threading, and they're using basically the same, i7 7700K, same thing, okay, 7740X. I don't want to talk about X299 unless you guys want to pick up like the 7900X. That's a different story, okay? And that's $1,000. And I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, a new platform, new guys. I don't know if you guys remember when X99 came out. That platform was the worst platform ever. That chipset, basically, that after 3-4 BIOS update, that's when X99 was running properly. Basically, it was a disaster. I personally remember I was like buying X99 like motherboard and stuff, and I was keep returning because it was never running stable. And now we have X299. Alright, that's good because AMD have X370. Okay, why would you pay? Okay, let's just get back, real point. Why would you pay $599 for an 8-core processor? Okay, 7820X. Okay, why would you pay $599 for a processor when you can buy motherboard and 8-core processor from AMD for like $5 something? Okay, you can pick up a X370 motherboard. Matter of fact, you can pick up a Gigabyte X370 Gaming 5 motherboard and a 1700X for like 500 and change. Why would you pay for like a Intel processor just because it's Intel $599? I just think it's full of crap. I personally think I wouldn't pay for. I still go shop around in Craigslist, eBay, Facebook, everywhere. I just picked up this processor right here. Okay, this processor performed almost same as the new 7740X. Almost. I know it's a i7 6700K, but you can overclock and get almost same performance. Yeah, maybe this processor is not gonna overclock all the way up to 5 GHz, but you are going to get same gaming performance. You know how much I picked up this processor for? $230. Alright? Why would you pick up a X99 motherboard for almost like $250 and you put a freaking quad-core processor? Like, what the hell? It's like Intel is basically telling you, you know what, you don't like my stuff, you can go to hell, okay? Basically, this is exactly what's going on. Intel basically thinks Intel has like Ferraris, okay, and Lambos, okay? You can afford it, but you don't buy it, okay? And AMD basically is saying like, hey, you know what? Whatever Intel giving you, I'm gonna give you same thing, half price. Yes, half price. The Ryzen 7 1700, okay, goes for right now, if you go to Micro Center, for $299, $300. If you pick it up from Newegg, $309, okay? And the same 8-core processor, 8-core, okay, 16-thread, Intel will be selling, okay, 7820X for $599. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not saying I hate on Intel. I just picked up an Intel processor today. I paid $230. I have 7700K, I have 6700K, I have a 5020K, 6800K. I just think like Intel really don't give F about us. And Intel don't care about gamers. Intel don't care about those budget builders. They don't care. They basically care about you, okay, selling your kidney and basically selling your body parts and pick up their parts. Yeah. I'm not gonna pick up a processor from I'm not gonna pick up a 7900X Why? I can pick up a Ryzen 1700 or 1700X. I overclock the processor a little bit, maybe up to like 3.9 gigahertz. And if I want, I can push it all the way up to 4 gigahertz. But okay, 3.9 gigahertz, and I'll get almost same performance. The rendering and stuff, it'll get the job done. So basically, don't waste your money. Do not waste your money. At least not now. Go with Ryzen's. Go with X370 chipset. Okay, right now, best bang for the money. Okay, don't waste your money. Okay, again, Intel selling a 6-core processor. Okay, 7800X for $389, almost $400. Okay, maybe that processor price will drop down to maybe $349. Still, you paying for a 6-core processor from Intel. Basically, you buying a Ryzen 1700X, 8-core versus 6-core. Look, competition is good, and I'm really proud of AMD right now. Now that they released the Frontier, okay, $1,200 graphics card with 16 gigs of HBM2, RAM. I don't know. I'm just loving it right now. And also we have Threadripper coming, so I don't know, guys. I feel like think before you spend your money, and that's all I have to say about X299 and basically Intel. And it's not like I'm choosing AMD over Intel. I just pick what best bang for the money. Okay, and whatever I buy, that's what I'm gonna recommend you guys. I'm not gonna recommend you guys something that I don't buy or I don't build. I just feel like it's not worth recommending something that I'm not gonna use for myself. Right now, a Ryzen 1700, okay, 8-core 16-thread processor and a good X370 gaming 5, like a Gigabyte X370 gaming 5 motherboard or MSI, Gaming Pro motherboard, perfectly fine. Okay, you can render video, you can play any game. And now that basically they have the new BIOS update, okay, for the X370, so you can even overclock your RAM all the way up to like 4,000 megahertz. So right now is the best moment to buy AMD Ryzen. Okay, that's all I gotta say. If you don't want to spend money on the 1700, go with the 1600. Okay, go with the Ryzen 5 processor. You don't have to go with the Ryzen 7. The Ryzen 5 1600 is a perfect CPU for video rendering, streaming, gaming, everything. All right. So guys, I just wanted to take my frustration out and just share with you guys, because that's the reason I didn't make any video on X299. If I wanted, I could have pre-ordered. Eventually, I have to, because I will share with you guys. But at this very moment, I don't care. Peace.